Hi guys, Kim here, welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today I'm going to show you how to prune this crepe myrtle. I have 3 of these crepe myrtles that we're going to get trimmed today, but I'm going to go step by step on this first one right here, and then I'll show you the end results at the very end. So this is the crepe myrtle here that we're going to trim up, and we're going to trim this tree at least back by half. So here's my canopy right here, and I feel like this is about where I'm going to trim, about right in here. So we're going to trim it by half, and then we're going to limb it up and bring the canopy up a little bit. And then we're going to look at any kind of crossing branches and remove any of those. And any kind of dead branches, we're going to remove those. Anything that's damaged, we'll remove those as well. And then I think just following those simple steps will get us pretty close to getting this crepe myrtle trimmed up. For today's project, we have a few tools that we're going to use. So my husband just bought these at Amazon. This is a bypass lopper, and he just used them and said they worked great. For smaller limbs, I'm going to use my Felco 2 pruners. And for limbs that we cannot reach with the ladder, we have, what's this called?
Tree pruner.
A tree pruner.
Tree pruner.
Tree pruner. Okay, so we're going to get to pruning. I will also have all these links to these descriptions in my description below. We might also use our Saker little mini chainsaw for this project too, to bring our canopy up. This limb off.
This one?
That one. Make sure it's got. So what we're doing right now is just taking our canopy up. As the tree gets older, this tree is approximately 3 to 3.5 years old. I want to keep my length high up, and I'm trying not to shade all these roses right here. So I'm bringing my canopy up. So I just removed this one right here and the other one that you just saw my husband do. Now we're going to cut the tree back by half. So this limb right here is growing inwards. We don't want to encourage that type of growth. We're going to remove this one as well. That one. So right here, these two limbs are kind of rubbing up against each other, and we don't want to encourage that. So we're going to actually need to trim one of these. And since this limb's growing out, I like this limb, and this one is crossing over, and I'm going to go ahead and just remove this limb right here because this rubs up against this one and it'll eventually damage the tree. So I'm going to take that one off too. Do you need the big chainsaw for that one? Okay. Well, you can see those loppers just cut through. What do you think that is? About a quarter size? Half inch size limb? But it just cut through?
No trouble. Good leverage.
Get this one. Here, I'll get that one. Get this one off.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Start on this one. So about like middle with that cut up here that you've already used. You can use that as a guide.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
All right, here's the first crepe myrtle that we pruned, just to show you a little bit closer up what we've done. So we limbed it up and brought our canopy up just a little bit higher by cutting off the bottom branches here. And then we got all the little spindly limbs off. I don't see any crossing branches whatsoever. We want to encourage our growth to go outwards, and not anything that's in. Anything in needs to be pruned off. And then up here, just a nice spherical prune job right there. So maybe just a little lower, a little higher until you get to over here, and then go lower, lower, lower again. And of course, this is a tree that's being pruned right now, so you can tell a big difference. So I hope this video was helpful. This is how we trim our crepe myrtle trees, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.